Hello children, I am going to discuss in today video multiplication of positive and negative numbers. So most of the students get confused with multiplication of positive and negative numbers. In short, in simple way, how to multiply positive and negative numbers, that is integers we can say. I am going to explain here. So before that, now look at some basic chart which we often see. Plus into plus means what? Positive, that multiplication of positive number with positive number, the answer, that is product, you are going to get here. Okay, this is product. You are going to get what? Positive. Plus into plus is plus, plus into minus, that is multiplication of positive number and negative number, the product is in negative form. Method is once again negative and a positive. Multiplication of negative and positive both are same here. You are going to get in that case also the answer, the product in negative form, and in both, that is in both the negative number case, in that also you are going to get the same thing, that is plus. When both the numbers have same sign, that is either they are positive or negative, the product will be in positive form. If either positive or negative or positive, in that case you are going to get the answer in negative form. I think by saying only this much, you people will not get clear about this concept. Let me explain the same thing with examples so that you can understand what this is about. Very simple it is. I will go with simple numbers, that is whole numbers. Afterwards, I will show you how to multiply the positive and negative decimal numbers and the fraction one by one. First, let me deal with the positive simple way. Positive multiplication of positive number with positive number, very simple. You can go with this way, 3 into 2, that is 3 2s are 6. That is plus into plus, that is very simple, 3 2s are 6, not necessary of putting the plus sign because it is understood. So 3 into 2 is 6. Now I am going to like this one, that is plus 3 6 into minus 2. One more point I want to add here. So if you have minus number, better to write that in bracket. Okay. Now what to do? Very simple. First multiply the sign. I say here plus into minus. Don't look at the 3 and 2. First multiply the sign, means here what the sign it is? Nothing, it is plus. Plus into minus. This is plus into minus. What do you get? Plus into minus, minus. Keep it here. Not to see bigger and smaller number. In addition and subtraction, we see the sign of bigger and smaller number. In multiplication, we are just multiplying the signs, and whatever the sign you are going to get, that you are going to get without seeing the number that is bigger or the smaller number. Okay, we are multiplying the signs, and obviously now your numbers remaining with, that is 3 and 2. That is simple. And one more same thing here. If we have minus 3 into 2, okay, not necessary of putting bracket because you don't have any number before this one. So directly you can write this way, minus 3 into 2. Yes, you can go this way also. First multiply 3 2s are 6. This is minus, nothing means it is plus, minus, plus, that is minus and plus, answer minuses. So easy. Now the last one is minus 3 into minus 2. Very simple. Either multiply the sign first, our number, then you get that one result. Minus and minus, plus 3 2s are 6. Very simple. Okay, this way you can solve the numbers. Okay, so if you are given the combination of this positive and negative, this is very basic thing. Okay, with only two numbers, sign plus and minus sign with different sign, that is. Now if we have numbers, different numbers, more than two numbers with different signs, how to multiply that one? So I say always follow the BODMAS rule. Okay, most of the students they don't know this one. What is BODMAS rule? Is very simple. It is bracket of, first if you have any bracket, remove that of, then it is division. This is division. This one shows. Then this is multiplication. Then it shows the addition. Then lastly the subtraction. What this chart is? BODMAS is very important for your higher classes and for the competitive exams, and especially if you want to score 100 out of 100 in mathematics. So if you have combination of these signs, that is division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, among these, if we have the combination of any 2 or 3, better to follow this. What is this? It is, if you have bracket, first simplify the terms inside the bracket, or means remove that bracket, means simplify that bracket, and afterwards if you have division, do the division between the numbers, then multiplication step, then addition and subtraction. The students who follow this method, obviously they are going to get out of our marks in maths. So if you are getting 100 out of 100 in your maths, once again they will go back and they'll check your what paper. So if your solution is not involving this way, if the steps are not followed in this way, multiplication operation is not done this way, so they may give you 99 marks out of 100. So if we have the combination of this one for bank exams or wherever you are going to do for your entrance exams and all that one, better to follow this BODMAS rule. I say it's very important. Most of the students they neglect this one. Of course, sometimes you get the same answer, but most of the time it is not the same thing. So better to follow BODMAS rule while solving the problem. So what is that one? Let me explain with an example. Before moving to that, also I'll show you one more example with combination of different operations like this one. -4 plus 5 minus 3 plus 8. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers with different sign. That is only plus and minus I am taking now. So best way is to write the same sign numbers together. That is here, for example, -4 I write with -3. -4. The correct method of solving this problem is this one. -4 -3 plus 5 plus 8. This way, and it makes it easy. Also, don't use -4 plus 5 operation that answer subtraction with 3 and addition with 8. It confuses you. So better to write the sign similar with numbers with similar sign. So now look at this one. -4 and -3. It is what? Minus and minus. This one shows it is addition. Operation what would be here? This is not multiplication. It is addition of this one. Operation is what? Positive. So -7 you are going to get here. Then plus 5 plus 8, it is 8 plus 5, it is 30. Then you have one number minus and one is plus. This is addition and subtraction in detail I explained in my video. Here also I am going to repeat this one. 30 minus 7. 30 minus 7. Okay, this is what? 6 you are going to get. Answer is 6. Yes, what the sign it is? Bigger number is having the plus sign. You are going to get this one as plus 6. Okay, now this is the addition and subtraction together with what? Different signs. Now with multiplication, how to do the same thing? I'll show you now with the same numbers. For example, if you are given -4 into -3 plus 8 into -5 something like this one. Here, what to do? First, you have to see the numbers. Okay, you have two terms here. I say here, this is multiplication, the sign between these two, the addition sign in between, and here the multiplication. According to my BODMAS rule, what I say, first multiply these two numbers. Okay, so don't write the same sign number together and all that. It is only with addition and subtraction. In multiplication, you are following this one. What is that one? First multiplication. So minus and minus, it makes it plus. Yes, 4 3s are 12. Okay, plus and minus, it makes it minus. 8 5s are 40. Yes. Now see, this is combination of multiplication, addition and subtraction. See this one, children. So now you have plus, it is nothing, it is plus 12 minus 40. So don't write plus minus minus. It is not like that one. If it is plus 12 into minus 40, in that case it is what? Minus. But here it is what? 12 minus 40. That means from 40 you are subtracting, that is 12. This is 8 and this is 2. You are getting what? 28. Yes, can you guess the sign? Yes. It is not plus minus minus. It is not because of that. Most of the students, often I say, they make this mistake. It is not of that, because bigger number has a minus sign. Remember this one. Even I see the students who used to get 90 marks in maths, they come often miss this one. I am not understanding. Often it confuses me, this combination. So children, follow my steps, follow my videos. Often and often I am giving different videos based on this multiplication and addition of the numbers. So follow my videos named Ganga Swami. You can Go with that also, we'll get all the related what basic concept of mathematics. I hope you understood this one. Have a nice day. Thank you.